This is a suicide shower. It has earned that nickname for the exposed wires coming out of the top of it. If you have seen these white plastic shower heads before, but you weren't sure how to get hot water out of them or how to use them without dying, this video is for you. The TLDR of this video: if you just want to know how to take a hot shower, turn the temperature switch to the black circle. If your shower has a paddle, the paddle usually controls water temperature. Less water flow means hotter water, but you'll still need enough water flow to activate the pressure sensor that heats the water coming out of the shower head. If you still don't have hot water, I go into greater depth in the video. People get into heated arguments about which is safer, an electric shower or a gas heated shower. I could not find a single peer-reviewed study on which is safer. These showers are generally safe to use when they're properly installed. If you smell burning, or the water feels tingly, or the light starts to flicker, get the fuck out. Do you wanna die? These showers do not store hot water. Instead, the water is heated up as it comes out of the shower head. If you hear a humming sound, that is a good sign. That means the element is heating up the water. Right now, I am in
Campo.
Campo Nueve, Paraguay, one of my favorite cities in South America. It's kind of a Mennonite city, and they have many electric showers here in Paraguay and Brazil. Last time you saw me, I was in Ushuaia, Argentina. I just rode back up to Paraguay, to Santa Rita, to get new motorcycle parts. And next week, I am returning to Brazil. Now, I actually did not know a lot about these shower heads, so I reached out to the Brazil subreddit, and my post lasted 59 minutes before it was removed. There is also a Brazilian subreddit dedicated to ugly showers, chuveiros feios, and the members let me use all their shower photos. If you still do not have hot water, I'm just going to walk you through the 3 major parts most electric showers will have. Most common reason: shower temperature switch is set to summer. The dark circle, it means winter, which means hot water. And then the clear circle means summer, and this becomes more confusing when you find out that the inventor, Francisco Caños, is from Sao Paulo, where they don't actually have winters. It's very important to not touch the temperature switch when the water is running, because some of the older units could electrocute you. Part 2, the faucet. Your flow rate might be too strong. The slower the flow, the more time the element has to heat the water. More flow means colder water. Less flow means hotter water. Hotter water. Part 3, the water temperature regulator. I always thought these paddles controlled flow rate. Some do, most do not. Instead, they control water temperature directly. Now, not every electric shower will have one of these paddles. Some have dials, some don't have anything, and they just have the temperature switch. If everything is set correctly, but you still have cold water, your breaker most likely tripped, and you'll have to reset it. If you enjoyed that video, you can subscribe.